In the exercise number 2, here is the question number 3. Find the product of rational numbers. Okay, so how can we find the product of rational numbers? So this is the steps. Try to understand everything. So first question is 9 by 2 into minus 7 by 4. These are two rational numbers, and here we will find the product of these two rational numbers. So what is the process? First of all, we will observe that the given rational numbers are into the standard form. Yes, of course. First rational number is in standard form. Second is also in the standard form. So what to do? We will multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator without any changing it. So dear, we will write this is 9 is the numerator of first rational number and 7 is the numerator of second rational number. Divide by 2, this is the denominator of first rational number, and into 4, this is the rational of the denominator of the second rational number. Okay, and this rational number having positive sign and this rational number having negative sign. Now dear, you know that multiplication of plus and minus is always minus because this is the opposite sign. So you will write here in the starting minus. And now dear, you can see that 9 7 ja correct, and 2 4 ja 8, and minus sign you will put same to same. Dear, this is the your answer. Okay, but if you want to write this into the whole number form of whole number, then you can write, otherwise this is the answer, no problem. But if you want it, so you can write minus and 8 7 ja 56. 7 is the whole number and remainder is 7. So you will write 7 in the numerator and 8 into the denominator. So this is the final answer. Okay. In the same way, you can see in the question number second part of this question. So dear, first rational number is 3 by 10. This is the standard rational number, standard form. Okay, and this is a whole number, that is integer, negative integer. Okay, so you can write this first of all minus 9 by 1 because this is a not a standard form of rational number. So you will write just into the P by Q form, that is 9 by 1. Okay, by writing 1 into the denominator. So this is the standard form. After that, again this rational number having positive sign and this rational number having negative sign. So plus into minus, you will get minus. So first of all, you will put negative sign, and then same way without taking LCM, nothing do. You will multiply numerator to numerator, that is 3 into 9, and denominator to denominator, that is 10 into 1. So finally dear, you will get it is minus 9 3 ja 27 and 10 1 ja 10. Again you can see that numerator is greater than the denominator, so you can write this into the whole number form, that is minus 10 2 ja 20 and remaining is 7 and by 10. So this is the final answer of this question. Otherwise you can write this is also your answer. Now in the case of this, that is part number 4 of this question number 3. So what to do? How can we solve this question? Yes, of course. You can see first of all that the given rational number into the standard form? No. So you will write first of all this rational number into the standard form. That is, this minus sign you will take into the numerator, that is minus 3 upon 5 into, and this is same to same minus 5 upon 3. How can you say this? Minus numerator, denominator to numerator by multiplying minus in numerator and denominator as 3 into minus 5 into minus 1 into minus 1. Then you will get it. It is minus 3 by 5. Minus and minus plus. Okay. So this is the process. Now dear, again same way. You will multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. What? First of all, you will see. Here is the negative sign in the first rational number and here is the also negative sign into the second rational number. So minus into minus, it will be plus, 100% plus. Same sign, product of same sign, always plus. So you will write here minus and minus, that is plus, and then 3 into 5 and 5 into 3. So now dear, you can either cancel it one by one, otherwise you will multiply both, then cancel it. So here is, you can see that 3 5s are 15 and again 3 5, 5 3s are 15 and 15 1s are 15. It is cancelled out. So you can write 1 upon 1. This is a rational number. Otherwise you can say that this is 1. Finally 1 by 1 means 1. So this is the answer. Otherwise you can see in here, in this step, 5 and 5 cancelled out, 3 and 3 cancelled out. Here you will get 1 1 always. So 1 into 1, that is 1 and 1 into 1 means 1. So finally you will get the result 1. तो ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं और इस तरह से भी आप कर सकते हैं. So this is the multiplication. But keep in mind that you will not take the LCM in the case of product of two rational numbers. Okay? Some students start, first of all they will take the LCM and then they will multiply. So no need to make the same denominator. You will directly multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator and you will get the result. Okay? In the question number 4, find the value of this. Is the first part of this question number 4. Question says that minus 4 divided by this rational number, that is 2 by 3. Okay? So how can we divide? This is dear just like method of division, just like that the multiplication. But one step is additional. One step is more here. What is the step? Try to understand. First of all, you will write this as, this is a integer, that is minus 4 only. First of all, you will write this into the standard form by dividing 1. That is minus 4 upon 1. Okay? And divide by, it is the second rational number 2 by 3. In the next step, you what to do? You will write this minus 4 by 1 same to same in all the questions. First rational number, you will write same to same without any changing. And thus, into the second rational number, what to do? You will replace this divide sign into the multiplication yourself. अपने आप change कर लो. That is into. Okay? And then you will write the reciprocal. Reciprocal means उल्टा. Means 3 को ऊपर ले जाओ और 2 को नीचे ले आओ. That is 3 by 2. Okay? What is the process? Two things is, first of all, you will write in the place of division multiplication, and then you will write just reciprocal of the second rational number only. Don't change first, only second. So you will write 3 by 2. After that, this is the question, just multiplication. So you will write numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator, that is minus 4 into 3 and 1 into 2. So you can write that 4 3s are 12, minus is same to same and 1 2. Okay? if you want to simplify it, then you can say that 2 1 ja 2, 2 6 ja, that is minus 6. This is the answer of this question. After that, in the same way here, you will proceed it. So first rational number, you can see that this is just into the standard form, no problem. And into the second, you will write divide, and this is not standard form, so you can write by 1 to change into the standard form, that is minus 3 upon 1. So this is the standard form. What to do after this? You will write that minus 4 upon 5 and then change this sign into and write the reciprocal of this, that is minus 1 upon 3. You will change only numerator to denominator, denominator to numerator. No need to change this sign. Sign is same to same, minus. Okay. After that, you can see that this is the multiplication. So what to do? You will multiply numerator to numerator and the denominator to denominator. So what to do? Yes, minus into minus, dear, plus, because this is the multiplication. So minus into minus is plus. And then 4 into 1 divide by 5 into 3. So dear, you will get 4 1 ja 4 and divide by 15. So this is the answer of this question. Okay. Well, and now try to the part number 5. Try to understand. This is the 5th part of this question. If you have any doubt, then clear your doubt. Okay. Very nice. So there you will write first rational number as same to same, that is 2 by 13. This is the standard form, no problem. And second rational number also in the standard form. So what to do? You will change the sign first. In the place of division, what you write? Multiplication. Yes. And then at once you will change this numerator to denominator, denominator to numerator. That is the reciprocal of this rational number. So 7 by 1. Okay. After that, minus you will write same to same. And then multiply. This question is changed into the product of two rational number. So we multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. But I want to tell you that once again, don't take the LCM in the case of multiplication and division. So here you can write 2 into 7. This is the numerator and denominator is 13 into 1. So what to do? Yes, here minus 2 7 ja 14 and 13 1 ja 30. So this is the answer of this question. Finally, if you want to change into the whole number, then you can also write that is 13 1 ja 13. Minus is same to same. 13 1 ja 13. Remainder is 1 and this is 13. So otherwise you can leave it here. So this is the process of to find the division of two rational number. तो आपने क्या सीखा? डिवीजन में क्या होता है? मल्टीप्लिकेशन ही होता है जब आप इस स्टेप को चेंज कर लेते हैं. चेंज करने का रूल क्या है? When you change the sign into the product, into the multiplication, then you will write at once the reciprocal of the second rational number. Clear? Very good.